Hey everyone, I'm back today with another makeup tutorial for you guys. If this is your first time being on my channel, then welcome. I'm very happy to have you. So today's makeup look is inspired by the makeup that Emma Stone wore at the Golden Globes this year. All the actresses at the Golden Globes this year wanted to make a statement, a feminist statement, with the black dresses that everybody wore. So Rachel Goodwin, who is Emma Stone's makeup artist, wanted to make a statement not just with Emma's dress, but also with her makeup. So her makeup this year had a hidden feminist message. And the message was that in the late 1800s and early 1900s, the suffragist movement, so the women's rights movement's original first ever colors were green, purple, and white. So that is why the eyeshadow is green with white for the highlighter and a plummy purple lip. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep watching. So this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload videos every Wednesday and Friday, so you don't want to miss out. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!